Hey guys, Aiden here with Maximum Power. I want to explain how to fix your metabolism. Let's get into it. First thing we do is fast. Who would have thought I would talk about fasting? It's crazy, right? We fast to lower insulin, to take a break from insulin, because in the presence of insulin and low calories, the body goes into starvation mode, lowering the metabolic set point. To raise the metabolic set point, we take a break from insulin and still feed it. 3 meals a day, okay? The way we do this best is by having a 16 to 18 hour fast and then only sticking to 3 full meals. No snacks, okay? Because the lower the calories, the lower the metabolism. It's not about calories, it's about the insulin. Take a break from insulin to increase your metabolism, okay? Second thing we do is work out, but specifically why? When you work out, you only burn off 400 to 500 calories in a good workout, and you eat 12 to 2,500, so you're not actually burning off the food you just ate. You are hoping to increase lean muscle mass, because lean muscle takes energy to exist, raising your metabolism. So throughout the day, it's using calories to exist, to whereas fat doesn't. Fat does not take any energy to exist. Fat just sits, and we don't like it, right? But we like lean muscle. So we work out, specifically some sort of weight training or resistance training or whatever it is, to build lean muscle. Because by doing that, we use energy just by existing, which is increasing your metabolism. Okay? I hope this was helpful. I hope I explained it well. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.